Showing on the screen is a withdrawal proof we got from this particular no deposit bonus I'm about to show you. So if you watch this video to the end, I will show you how you can get a $40 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with. So before I proceed, let me quickly tell you about the terms and condition. The terms and condition is very simple. All you have to do is just to trade this particular bonus to $100, and then you can withdraw the profit you are going to be making over the $100. Then you can withdraw. As you can see, we got the withdrawal proof of $100 plus, and the person was able to withdraw successfully. So the first thing you need to do is to check the description of this video, and you find the link to my Telegram channel there. And once you get to my Telegram channel, you find the link to get this particular bonus right there. Just click on the link and it's going to direct you to where you have to sign up automatically, input your details and everything you need to input, and register an account with them. After doing that, it is going to direct you to the home page that looks like this, as you can see right here. Alright. Now, as you can see, they've given us a demo account. Now, this is not what we want. What we want is a real account to start trading with. So all you have to do right now is to head over to this profile right here. Click on the profile. And then you click on promotions right here. After clicking on promotions, then you scroll down till you find something like this. As you can see, this 40% automatic right here. Now you have to notice that this apply automatically, no actions required. Now all you have to do is just receive a $40 welcome bonus after completing KYC. Trade 1x to unlock profits for withdrawals. As you can see, this is all you need to do to be able to get this bonus, trade with it, and also withdraw from it. So what do you do now? Let's go and verify our KYC. To verify your KYC is simple and it does not even take time. Alright, so just click on the profile right here and then you scroll down. This is where you're going to verify your KYC. As you can see, proof of identity and then your proof of address. Then you verify your email address. Alright, so let's just do everything one after the other as we proceed. So you request a verification link to verify your email address while you move to the next step. So this right here is the email I got from them. I just have to click on the verify my email right here and wait for it to load. As you can see, email verified successfully. So I proceed to the next step, which is verifying my proof of identity. As you can see right here, the email has been ticked that it has been verified successfully. Now let's click on the proof of identity right here and then you click on complete profile. So these are what you are going to be needing. As you can see, you'll be needing the ID or passport number required. You just have to click on the complete profile right here and then you move to the next step. So after getting here, you have to do is to click on next, and right here you input the required details right here and then you proceed. I'm going to fill up my information now and then I'll verify my account and get back to the video as soon as possible. So right now, all my verifications are all under review. Alright, as you can see right here, they are under review. I just have to wait for them to finish reviewing my account and then I can proceed to getting this particular no deposit bonus and start trading with it. Alright, as you can see, you can trade Forex pairs on this particular broker. Alright, as you can see, we have the Forex pairs and we have the binary and also stocks. Alright, so this is just how the platform looks like. You can change the time frame and you can see how it looks like. Alright, so as you can see, you can also set the expiry time of that particular trade you're about this right here. You can work with the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and so on. Alright, as you can see right here. So your trade is going to work according to the minutes you set. Alright, so you just have to wait for them to verify your account and the bonus will be credited to your account automatically. Then you can start trading with it, and when you meet with the terms and conditions I mentioned earlier, you will be able to place withdrawal just like the person that shared the withdrawal proof with me. Alright, so this will be all in this video. If you have gotten yours, drop a comment saying you have gotten yours so that other people can know that this is real and they can actually get theirs as well. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video.